Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be collabing with Keswigs today, and I'm just in love with this unboxing because there is just so much going on. So the first thing that I have here is this cute iridescent pouch, and inside I got this huge rhinestone clip with their logo on it, an edge comb and brush, some Whitney and Bobby pins, a tweezer, but you're not really gonna need it because the lace is already perfect. You get 2 packs of wig caps, a headband, and a mesh bag to store your wig in. And last but not least is this 3-in-1 curling iron, flat iron, and crimper. And she's foldable, so you know you can just fold her up, wrap the cord up, throw her in your bag, and go about your business. So like I said, the lace has already been pre-plucked and pre-bleached, but if you feel like you want to do a little extra customization, then more power to you, sis. So with this 13x6 drama now, this is a straight up frontal, and this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is a true 13x6. You have all that lace to work with. Whereas other brands are concerned, they have been doing the sneaky trick where they make you think that you have been getting a full 13x6, a true 13x6, but it wasn't. I still wasn't really getting that much value for money. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go through with my hot comb to flatten out the top, and then I'm gonna cut the lace off, flat iron it, add some foundation to the lace to make it, match my skin tone, and we'll be ready for the installation. So another thing that I really like about this is that it is super thick and full from the track straight down to the end. So if you're that type of girl who loves that extra volume, plus you're getting so much lace space to work with, girl, you are more than getting value for money. And I just also love the fact that this is HD as well. Like, as I can see, prior to me adding the glue and whatever, like, it just melted right into my skin. So if you're curious as to what glue I was using, is Bold Hold Active, and I don't recommend it for sensitive skin because I'm pretty much allergic to it right now. Like, I've been getting slow burns and bumps on my hairline, and it's not cute and it's not fun. So I just tied my hair down for about 10 minutes or less, and when I took this hairband off, you couldn't tell me nothing.
What can I do? What can I say? Please make it undone. What you did to me, I was so caught up when you happened to me. Make it undone, 'cause my heart is breaking. What can I do? What can I say? Please make it undone. What you did to me, what you did to me, what you did to me, what you did to me. I can't believe that anyone could make me feel this way. No, I can't believe I would let you get away with.
So with other wigs that I've tried, this is a style that I would do really often because I really like it. I honestly think it's really cute on me. But I had to be super careful with how deep I would make my parting because I didn't have that much space going down. Like, yeah, I had the 6 inches going back, but going down to like my ear area, for example, there wasn't much lace to work with. So I had to be super careful with, but with this, like, I could make the parting as big as I wanted. I could do it in like a half up, half down style, and still get my top knot bun.
Never love again. Make it undone, 'cause my heart is breaking. What can I do? What can I say? Please make it undone. What you did to me, what you did to me, what you did to me, what you did to me. I can't believe that anyone could make me feel this way. No.
All right, I did some cornrows in the front for y'all on this frontal, because like I said, it's a full-on frontal. But yeah, I did some cornrows to show y'all how much parting space you have to work with, and this is a lot. The style is really simple, you know, some elastic bands and cornrows going straight back in the day. I used to do the S and the this and the that, front handspring, back handspring, but like I said, now it's just, you know, 100-meter race and leapfrog. So I used about 97% of this frontal, and there was only a couple centimeters of hair left out, and it was thick enough to cover the tracks that were there. What I would recommend y'all to do though is to pluck the lace a little bit more if you want to do cornrows, because she's gonna end up a little thick. I love this. I love it. I love it. It's giving length, it's giving fullness, it's giving full 13x6. It's just giving so much. And this is what the hair is looking like after I put some oil in. The oil that I use just helps to keep the frizziness down, but if you don't want to add anything to it, if you are worried about having to put too much product in it, you really don't have to, because prior to me doing so, it was looking okay. But if you're looking for that super silky look, then some anti-frizz hair oil is all you need, and that's it. So I just threw my hair up with this claw clip, and it's still looking really good. Like, I recommend, a bitch highly recommend. So that was it for this video. Everything y'all need to know about this wig will be in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.